Fixing screen flickering issue while using the YouTube. In this video, I will be showing you how to exactly do it. So this issue is pretty common in NVIDIA and AMD graphic cards. So if you are facing this issue, I will be showing you how to exactly fix this issue. So first thing first is you need to go to your Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, I have typed in a address that you need to just copy and paste it in the Google Chrome search bar. I will be providing this address in the description of this video so you guys can simply copy and paste it into your Google Chrome. So what I'm gonna do is copy this address, go to a new tab. In the new tab, all I have to do is to go to the search bar and paste that address in and search it. So once I do it, you will see this choose Angle Graphics backend. So what is the fixing of this issue actually requires is there are two options, which one is OpenGL and the second one is D3D9. You can go with either of them. If the issue still persists, you can change the option to OpenGL. If the issue still persists in OpenGL, you can change it to D3D9. So hopefully this will fix your issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.